In Configurations, click Offer Credential. Input the issuer's party ID in the holder text field. Then provide a unique ID and a concise description to help identify the purpose of this credential. In this case, it is to allow the issuer to mint bond. Under Claims, provide the issuer's party ID as the subject, is mint requester of as the property, and bond as the value. Altogether, this claim allows the holder of this credential to be a mint requester of bond. Now click Offer, and this credential has been sent to the issuer. We then repeat these steps to also allow the issuer to have credentials that will allow them to be a holder of bond. Finally, select Offers on the left navigation to view both offers sent to the issuer.